We're all very excited. Antonio's first ever time here. Gonna get lots of rides. Not Hyperia, but look at it. It looks amazing. It's so big. Yeah, but I think we're all pretty excited. Everyone's taking photos of Hyperia. I don't blame them, but we're gonna have a great day. We're getting all the rides, hopefully. The wind is very, well, windy, so hopefully it doesn't get too bad during the day, but looking forward to this. I haven't been to the park in a while, so I'm excited to be back. First ride and it rolls back, that's brilliant. Well, Stealth just rolled back, so we've changed the mind. We're going to go Saw now, I think, if that's open. Wow. Thorpe Park are taking some jabs at Blackpool. I mean, oh, the train's at the station. Yeah. You can see that as well. Pretty cool with the dummies in. Oh, that looks rough. Honest reaction? My head hurts so much.
I wouldn't say it's growing on me, but I like it better than the first time.
It's annoying because I love the theme. Like, I love the Saw franchise, but not even John Kramer could create something that horrifically rough. Especially the bottom of the first drop. See if you can see it. It's hard to tell, but like, just the amount of jackhammering is so painful. Like, instant headache just from the first drop, and then pretty much every other valley on the ride. Really, really hurts your head, and now I've got a headache, like a ghost ache. But yeah, no, not again today, please. Colossus is looking fresh, wow. That was brilliant. He hates it for some reason. I love it so much. That was really, really good. So much better than Saw. It makes Saw look terrible.
Yeah,
but,
obviously.
But yeah, really smooth. Front row, obviously, was brilliant. I don't want to try it later on in the back because it might try and kill us. But yeah, the front row and Colossus is brilliant. I love that so much. All right, this says it has live actors inside. Jan's dancing. I'm very excited. Is that good?
That's fun.
I really enjoyed that ride. It's just silly, isn't it? There was no axes though, which is annoying. Like the sign lied to us, but no, still really good ride. We're gonna go do Inferno now. Thoughts on Inferno? Not amazing. Nemesis Inferno. Inferno. That's what it needs to be called. Yeah. It's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, I love
it. It's fantastic. So intense. Are you even more excited? It's so loud. Are you even more excited for Nemesis Reborn now?
Yes.
Yes.
Obviously, we're more excited for Nemesis Reborn, but still, Inferno is great in my opinion.
It really is. What are we thinking? Is it going to test?
It has to be, yes.
There is so many people here, it's kind of ridiculous. We're all just waiting for something to happen, for any little noise. There's film crew on the balcony over there. There's so much activity on the site. Something's going to be happening, surely.
It has to.
It's happening soon. Very slowly it moves. Imagine if it actually goes this slow.
Anytime now.
Oh wow.
There she goes! Yay!
The squeak! Oh wow. Very slowly. I stopped again. Never mind. It's so close. It's so close. Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh. Whoa, that's amazing. Wow. We saw it test. That was so cool. We literally picked this day so randomly as well. It was crazy. I'm never gonna forget that. It was crazy. Thoughts? I was gonna say thoughts on reset, then thoughts on stealth. It's so good. We all got front row as well, obviously not at the same time because I didn't sit on any of your laps. But no, that was very, very good. Swarm now. Wind coaster time for you. You're obsessed. A very, very wet and painful ride on Swarm.
Not for me!
Not for you, you were fine because it didn't start raining until we got on.
Yeah,
and then it started hailing
anyway,
and
so.
I didn't have my eyes open for the entire ride, which wasn't fun. But I think we're going to try Ghost Train now because it's inside. We just did Ghost Train and that was fantastic.
Amazing.
The improvement over the last one was like completely unrecognisable. It was actually brilliant.
And even as the first timer, it was
first time as well.
mind-blowing.
The actors were incredible. The actual train part was way better than the last time. Like the crypt bit as well. Won't say any more, but that was fantastic. Recommend it. Go and do it. It's good. That was your first visit to Thorpe Park.
Hyperia!
Your second and my third. Good?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Very good day.
Incredible.
There's so many good rides here. Finishing the day on Swarm back row as well, which is insane. Very excited to be back for Hyperia.
Oh yeah.
Can't wait. Alton Towers next vlog. See you then.